Hey, you guys, it's Double Moms, and we've got another review of an IPO for Silynxcom Ltd, which will be traded under ticker symbol SYNX on the New York Stock Exchange American, and will be IPOing on January 12th, 2024. But before we begin, I want to remind you that if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in that description. And we pick a lot of bangers a lot of times, folks. We called out BNZI back on December 28th and pre-market today before it ran up 104%. We also called out RCAC to our private Discord members back on December 31st and pre-market today before it ran up 93%. And finally, we also called out ZCAR today, which ran up 86%. We are just made different, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we use candlestick patterns, how we read those key levels, how we use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. Now, Silynxcom Ltd. has been manufacturing and selling special communication devices and accessories typically used in combat, the battlefield, riot control, demonstrations, and weapons training courses. Its earpiece devices, known as in-ear headsets, are used by soldiers in battle, during protests, and for training with weapons. These headsets work well with radios made by third-party manufacturers and used by soldiers and police in riot situations. These earpieces fit snugly into protective gear. This means that people can hear and talk clearly, even when there's a lot of noise or dangerous noise around them, like in battles or riots. The company's earpieces are slim and light. They block out harmful noises but still let users hear what's happening around them, so people can be fully aware of their surroundings at all times. The company was founded in Israel in 2005. Now, let's turn our attention to the IPO details. Silynxcom Ltd. is offering 1,075,000 shares in its initial public offering. The IPO stock has been set to between $4 and $6 a share, and with these numbers, the deal size is estimated to be around $5.38 million. The investors will have the opportunity to participate in the growth and potential of Silynxcom Ltd. as it expands its operations in the aerospace and defense industry. Now, please note, we are not stock professionals, nor are we stock advisors or financial planners, folks. We always want to remind you guys to do your own due diligence before purchasing anything in the stock market. I personally might not pre-buy this stock. However, I will be watching the price action on it closely. It's not a Chinese IPO, which tends to be the flavor of the day in the IPO world. Again, not stock advice. Do your own due diligence, guys. You do you, okay? Thanks for listening, guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded. It's Double Moms, and I'll see all of you again on the flip side.